There's no reason you need to stick with the terrible sound of worn out factory speakers, especially when good sounding, price friendly alternatives are readily available. Hi, my name's Matt, and I'm a car AV editor here at Crutchfield. And today I'd like to take a quick look at Pioneer's G Series car speakers. They represent a nearly ideal blend of performance and price, and are solid options if you're just looking for a simple replacement for lousy factory speakers. So, what makes them just right as factory replacements? Well, each speaker in the line has really good sensitivity ratings, which means it'll efficiently make the most out of the power you feed it. And speaking of power, they're designed to thrive without requiring a ton of power. Even the average factory stereo will feed them enough juice for them to play with better detail and warmth than most factory options can. Pioneer uses time tested materials and design to achieve the satisfying sound you get from these G Series speakers. The woofers are polypropylene, prized for their durability and warmth. But Pioneer takes the extra step and reinforces them with a layer of mica for extra rigidity. The end result? A woofer that plays excellent mid bass without distortion. The lightness of the cone helps with its efficiency, and its stiffness helps keep its shape even when playing very low notes, so everything sounds clear and true. For the tweeters, Pioneer went with a PET dome design. PET, a synthetic film, helps keep the high notes from sounding too shrill or harsh, while the full dome design encourages wide sound dispersion, which is essential given that they'll likely be mounted low in a door panel in the average vehicle. The better the dispersion, the wider the sonic sweet spot will be, and the more natural your music will sound. Pioneer really does do fantastic work with their tweeters. Most G Series speakers will play well above 20,000 hertz, which is out of the range of human hearing. Why bother, you ask? Well, the higher into the upper frequency range a speaker will play, the less natural roll off you'll get in the audible range. So, a speaker that plays up to, say, 32,000 hertz, as the G Series 6x9s do, will allow you to hear every last note up to 20,000 hertz clearly. And that sort of reproduction of the finest details makes for a very satisfying listening experience. Thanks to the fact that Pioneer builds the G Series family in a wide range of speaker sizes, each with a reasonable mounting depth, you'll likely find a pair that fits your vehicle. G Series two-way speakers with woofer and tweeter mounted together come in 4-inch, 4x6-inch, 5.25-inch, 6.5-inch, and 6x8-inch sizes. And Pioneer offers a 6x9-inch three-way option with woofer, 2-inch mid-range, and 3/8-inch tweeter. So if you've finally had enough of terrible factory sound in your vehicle, I highly recommend giving Pioneer's G Series a try. Your ears will thank you. And if you need a hand finding the right speakers for your vehicle and your musical tastes, feel free to give us a call or chat with us online. Thank you for watching.